I was thinking, what if sometime this week there would be another fire alarm going off? Like just because it's early in the month, you know? 3 months in. But they go through the alarm speakers. I'm so confused. I'm genuinely so lost. Don't they generally use a fire alarm for this? This is a beautiful start to my day.
I would 100%.
I think it's just a monthly drill. We're 3 months in. I think they do it every 3 months, and then they'll do it again near the 3 months before.
Why did they give us 10? Like, it was
good point.
Very start of class.
Yeah, that's a good point. They always like that lockdown drill that we had in the early parts of this year. This is the second drill that they've done.
Yeah, like just give the teacher 5 minutes to settle the class and let them know.
And generally they say it over the speaker that they're going to do it. But they didn't, and this is the second drill within like 2 months. So I'm starting to think this might not be a drill. I mean, if it was real, the alarm would be going off. But I'm a little bit confused.
I don't think anybody really does it. It's just
I'm wondering if the bell just got stuck on the switch.
Then I'm gonna be fucking pissed.
I wanted to get working on my thing as well.
Sure, I really don't, but I still want to do editing.
I was doing so well, and now I'm going to miss out on it, like half of it, or maybe even the whole thing.
The setting is probably going to get this one.
We've got the fire department coming in here there. So just wait for you, please. Get back in the zone. Thank you so much for your cooperation in getting yourselves out here in the orderly-ish fashion today. We have isolated the problem that has been rectified, and we now have it all clear to go back into the car.